hear that? I'm pressing the gas, letting go. Gas on, gas off. Gas on, get over the hill, and gas off. I wasn't going very fast. Really annoying. Okay, I'm stopped. Let's see what happens. It's doing it even as soon as I take my foot off the gas. I'm in neutral. Do you hear that annoying sound? It's coming from the driver's side speaker. It's annoying. Oh god. Foot on the gas. If I just barely touch the gas, it goes away. I apologize for the video quality.